What is this? Where am I?
Damn!
Who's this?
Sup, bitches?
Wow. But why? I'm tired of you trying to get all of the thoughts.
These Leaf Village worms will be sorry they squirmed their way into something that doesn't squirm.
You two crazy? What are we doing here? Right here. These guys are bad. But what are we supposed to do? Just sit back and do? Let a girl do all the f***ing?
All for one and one for one.
Yay. Please, stop wiggling. You're getting on my nerves. Better alive shit than a dead lol. Right, fatso? Did I just shit? What did that guy just say? Yay. Uh-oh. He just pushed Choji's butt.
I don't understand. What is all this?
We've got to get rid of these clowns.
Let's show him who's boss.
My pleasure. There's Azure. Mansion Jutsu. There's your leisure. Slicing soundwave! Yay! And if I try to rip my arms off, I'll die. For Sasser. Huh? Saku! Oh no, no. Shut.
What's happening?
Just me and my shit.
Why are you just standing there like that?
Dead. That's some kind of piranha.
Ino, I'll leave the girl to you.
Okay, look.
Will you?
Okay, yay. Okay, you got it. Just take care of my body while I'm gone.
Sure.
Guard, mind transfer jutsu!
Enough of this! Gene!
What's wrong with you?
I'm Canadian.
What's wrong with you?
This is bad.
You see, we don't play this game by your rules. I see.
Shesh.
Whatever. And I see that your teammate is a
Canadian.
little. Anything that happens to Keen happens to her.
Yay. Oh, what? Oh, what? Did you really think you could beat us? Face it, you ninja are just a bunch of nickers. I guess that makes your village great.
Please.
What the f*** are you looking at?
It looks to me like somebody used our punching bag as a teammate. No one does, no one! No! Get the whale was taking us.
His eyes. He's not just looking at us. He's seeing through us. Well, are you going to stay up there all day? Or are you going to come down here and do?
Actually, it looks like it might have been taken out of my hands.
Whoa! What is that?
He's not just looking at us. He's looking at us.
Shut up, Grandma! Drink your prune juice!
Because I was weak. I was weak. Everyone died because I was stronger. I couldn't save them because I was pizza. Because I was.
This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's watermelon inside a watermelon.
Wait, that power, it's impossible. Oh no.
I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it.
You're awake! Awake!
Sus, who did this to you? Who was it?
This little rat is guilty. You can see it on his smug little face. Guilty, I say guilty, guilty, guilty.
He gave me this gift, and he made me understand what I am. I am Genin.
Gay Ben, gay Ben, gay Ben, gay Ben.
Hurry up and get back in your body! Back in your body! Get back in your body! You don't want to get back in your body! Back in your body! You too, Choji! Come on! I'm coming in! Hurry up and get back in your back! Hurry up and get back in your body! How should I know? Wow.
Tosu! What's wrong? No! Whoa! Saku! You don't understand! You understand! Supersonic rising wave! What do you know? You know. Oh. Boom! Yay!
Honor, 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 honor?
Sus.
Fire style! Phoenix flower jutsu!
His chakra. It's completely different.
See me seem to be very proud of these very proud arms of yours. You must be very proud of—
No! What are you doing?
Hi?
You wanted Sasuke. You want— you, don't you?
I can see their parachutes. They're okay.
It looks like you're left. I hope you may— I hope you may—
Dead.
Don't do it!
No.
Marks receive. It would seem we underestimated you. But at least we found out what we underestimated. Whoa. For the moment, we're even. I don't know. All I know is that I don't know why. There are many things I don't know.
Eno, you leave. We'll check out the kid.
Right!
That was no normal chopper. That was...
Pizza!
Try it.
What am I? What did that guy just say? I am gay? I said you're faggot. Whoa, somebody ought to kick him and wake him up. This is embarrassing. Can I kick him first?
Kicking? Oh, I want to do some kicking!
Enough of this!
Allahu Akbar!
What the fuck? Damn it, Fred!
Who did this to you?
A nigger. A nigger? A nigger cook.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's watermelon. Inside of watermelon.
I'm gonna kick your ass, bitch.
Just kidding. I got it.